Among them is Ali, a student of class 10th in Government High School Wadoudia, Swat. The government of the UAE strongly believes that education is the birthright of every boy and girl. However, for Ali, it's more than a right. It is a strength he is acquiring in his new school, a stepping stone towards greatness, strength to build a future for himself and his 4 younger brothers. Belonging from a family with limited means, Ali has kept his resolve to continue his education despite dire circumstances. Ali is a model student for his community and appreciated by his teachers. Trying to make ends meet, he works part-time at a barber shop owned by his uncle after school. His uncle knows how valuable education is for Ali and is helping him fulfill his dreams.
एक तालीम इंसान इसलिए करता है कि वो आगे चलकर कुछ बन जाए। इसकी सारी फोकस जो है ना वो तालीम पर हो, लेकिन उसके साथ इसकी गुर्बत भी है ना। इसके बाद स्कूल के बाद जब ये आता है तो जो 100-150 ये कमाता है, तो ये इसके 4 भाई है छोटे छोटे, माँ बाप है, तो ऊपर से उधार भी इसके ऊपर। तो ये अगर ये ना लेके जाए तो ज़ाहिर ही पाए तालीम पर भी इसका फोकस नहीं रहेगा। लेकिन फिर भी ये माशाल्लाह इतना है कि तालीम पर भी ध्यान देता है, काम पर भी देता है।
The meager amount Ali receives helps him a long way in providing for his family. For students like Ali, this school provides him hope that there is someone who appreciates his hard work and is willing to go the extra mile.